Yo, what's good, guys? Kosher Tech here. So today we got another PC build. Now, this is actually a PC build for a homie. Now, she reached out to Kosher. She basically said, listen, Kosher, I need a dope setup. You know, she had a budget of $1,000. So listen, I said, I got you. So let's run through the parts right here. Now, all these parts were purchased via Micro Center. Now, some of them are open box. So let's start with the graphics card. All right, so we got the big boy. We got the 2070, the RX 2070 Super. All right, this is the XC Ultra 8GB EVGA version. Now we got this over here for $476.96, so $477. We got a B450 Mobo. This is the Strix we got now. Also, the deals were price matched too. You know, the sticker on the box is not always correct. In the description below, I'll have all the right prices. We got a 750 watt EVGA BQ power supply. We got a Ryzen 7 2700X, and we got this. Now, I do remember the price of this. This is $160. We got Ripjaw's RAM, the G Skill. I think they're 3200 megahertz, and we got an open box Samsung SSD 860 Evo 1 terabyte for $196. Guys, these prices are too savage. Now, and then we got the case, the 275R, the Corsair 275R case. This is the old black she wanted. So now all of this, right? All of this would run you, exactly for us before taxes came out to $1,050. You know what I'm saying? So now this is the things that I added personally. We got some Chinese Rgb fans. This is the Asia Horse FS9002 fans. I'm not sure if I'm going to stick with these or I'm going to upgrade, but next we did get an AIO. The only reason why I got an AIO, to be 100 with you guys, because it's a kosher build. Let's go. We got Corsair. I gotta stop grabbing myself up. Corsair light strips. You guys know how much I love these RGB light strips. Now I added this for her because, yo, listen, man, she actually told me, listen, Kosher, I don't want none of that light stuff. I was like, yeah, I got you. You know what I'm saying? And of course, I had to throw in there. And we got 32 gigs. All right, so that's 16 right over there. And this is 16. So we got 32 gigs of RAM. So listen, all right, I'm going to surprise her, all right, with a dope build. Of course, she's going to come later on and pick this bad boy up. So we got to hurry up and build it, guys. This is going to be one epic setup. Let's go. All right, you guys, so we got the CPU, Mobo, and the RAM installed in the case. Man, I'll tell you, listen, man, that 32 gigs right there looks sexy. That 2700X looks absolutely legit. The B450 Mobo looking nice. Now, this is gonna be more, I don't know, you know, I'm still thinking if I should put the white fans in there, but you know, I'm still debating, I'm still pondering on that because I am kind of feeling those G-Skill Ripjaw's RAM. They are a bit white coming out of there in the name of the logo, so you know, we're still deciding. And of course, the 275R case is fully stripped. Now, I am about to install the 750 watt power supply. Now, the reason why we went with 750 is because I wanted to give her a bit of headroom. So, you know, I could have gone easily with a 600 or 650, but, you know, I wanted to use it for, you know, for a while. So 750 is good for headroom. And I could have used the Wraith cooler, but like I said, it's a kosher build, so I had to hook her up and I had to throw in an AIO. You know what I'm saying? Now, I could have easily gotten away and just put a air cooler, put a Wraith cooler in there. It would have been suffice, because them bad boys do give you nice temps, but it's a kosher build, so we have to throw in an AIO. All right, you guys, so we installed everything now. I did have some Asia Horse cable extensions laying around, so these are just a little purple, like silver black color, so we're gonna throw them in there. It's gonna look pretty dope, and of course they're here as well. So we're gonna set those up. It's gonna look pretty fire. I already installed the FS9002 fans. I think it's gonna look dope, man. We're gonna change it up a bit, a little black and white. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to keep it too evened out of the same black color. So yeah, this is so far the status. You know, I think the cable extensions look absolutely beautiful compared to just having regular black cables. It'll look whack. So, you know, we're gonna spice things up, yo. All right, guys. So we got all the fans installed. We have the AIO installed as well. Next, we're gonna put this fat boy in here. Check it, yo. This thing is massive. This is a triple slot card. Look at this cooler. Look at this. Look at this fat ass cooler over here. This thing is massive. This 2070 Super should be nice. So we're gonna put it in here. It's gonna take up a lot of space, but so far I kind of am feeling the white, and of course with the with the cable extensions over here. The black and the purple looks pretty dope. So we're gonna see how it looks, of course, and we're gonna have to tidy up the wires in the back. So yeah, the progress is going well. I just hope she likes it. That's the most important. Let's go. All right, guys, so now it's finally all tidied up. I gotta say, man, those Asia Horse cable extensions came in the absolute clutch. It looks absolutely beautiful. I think this was probably Kosher's best cable management thus far. Look at this. It's absolutely beautiful, guys. I love how this looks. Very clean. I'm gonna show you guys the front in a sec, but my goodness gracious, look at this cable management. Now we got rid of the spinning disk tray because we ain't got no spinning disk. We got a terabyte of storage. If she wants more storage, we could add more SSDs in here. You know what I mean? So no spinning disc, but all together, man, beautiful. We got the Asia Horse hub right over there, of course. Made everything very, very tidy, guys. Extremely, extremely tidy. She's a few minutes away, so listen, she's about to come. We're gonna turn it on. You guys are about to see the front, y'all. I'm just ecstatic. This looks absolutely beautiful, man. Hello, hello. Of course it's a shoe off house. Yeah, the camera's rolling, just to let you guys know. Come on. Don't be shy, Laura. Come on. Hello. How are you?
Great. How you doing?
How are you? So, what do you think?
Looks pretty.
So what we're gonna do right now is turn it on.
Okay.
All right. So there's a power button right there. See that black button right over there? You see that? You see that peel over here?
Mm-hmm.
You see that? You see that paper?
Yep.
All right. So let's go. Let's peel it.
Peeling.
Yep. Yep. Voila.
Dang.
What say you?
Damn.
Check it out. Check it out.
Holy
Check it out.
shit.
Look inside. Of course, we're gonna run through all the specs and whatnot.
Okay.
I hope you're feeling the white fans.
Fucking yeah.
I wasn't too sure you're gonna like that. So we got some
Hold my
RGB fans over here. We got some light strips. Of course, we're gonna go over the graphics card and the processor and the cooler and all that good stuff. But so far, this is the bad boy.
Pretty sweet. Pretty sweet.
Alright, let's go. So Laura, we just built this amazing PC. Now, tell me a little bit about it. Do you like it?
I love it.
And what are you going to be mainly gaming? What games are you going to be rocking?
So I mainly play World of Warcraft.
Okay, also known as, I just found out.
Or WoW.
WoW. I had no idea it's called WoW, guys.
Yep. So yeah, when you ask me what other games do I play, I play WoW, and I'm a guild leader on WoW, so that's the majority of my time gaming. Apparently, I have to play some other games. Friends trying to get me into Diablo and Witcher, so we'll see.
All right,
Whatever
and of course your Twitch and Discord server is going to be in the description.
All right.
Absolutely below. And yes, she is going to start off on Twitch.
Yeah, hey.
Right? Are you excited for that?
Sure.
And do you know any specs about the PC, of course?
Absolutely not, huh?
I mean, I see my badass video card there. You know.
Okay, so we got, yes, a 2070 Super, Laura. We got a bunch of nice Chinese RGB fans. We got a 2700X CPU. We got a 750 watt power supply. We got, of course, amazing Asia Horse cable extensions. And yeah, I mean, it came out really, really nice. I'm glad that Kosher could build you this awesome, awesome system. I just hope.
Me too.
One thing I hope you don't have it on the floor. All right.
Won't be on the floor. I mean, I got a carpet, so we can't do that anyway.
Oh my God, and she's gonna put on the carpet.
No.
No carpet. All right,
carpet.
that's even better.
Okay.
But anyways, Laura, it was fun. Thank you.
Absolutely. Thank you.
Peace out.